Shoes. 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 Oh my god, shoes.
After Scott Shelby got his shoes!
Oh man, stupid shoes. Can't tie shoes. What the hell? What the fuck? What am I gonna do, man? I gotta go see my mom in a couple hours. I can't go over there with my shoes untied, man. She'll be upset. And the quest to get Scott Shelby's shoes tied has begun.
Welcome to 7-Eleven. What would you like?
I need some new shoes. Let's see, where are these? Over here. Oh man, it's looking like shit outside. Okay, let's see, what's over here? Just poison, no shoes. Oh, what's in here? Is this where the shoes are? Okay, I guess I'll just let them do their business. Twerk salt, what the fuck? Where are these shoes? God damn it. Hey.
Yes, what would you like, sir?
I'd like some shoes that are tied by themselves and not, you know, need to be tied, because I can't tie my shoes. Are you stupid? Hello?
Oh, god damn it, Susie, it's that fat ass that doesn't know how to tie his shoes. God damn it, it's the third time this week.
Huh, I guess they're not home. Huh, whatever. Hello?
Yes, what is it?
Can you help me tie my shoes? I really need help.
No, fuck you!
After he got home. I'm coming.
Jeez. Oh, hey. Hey, so I decided I will teach you how to tie your shoes. If you'll let me.
Yeah. Yeah, come in. Hello? These shoes will not tie themselves. Are you just gonna sit there? Or are you gonna do something? Teach me how to tie my shoe!
Wanna learn how to tie your shoe? It's a very easy thing to do. You sit on down and I'll give you the scoop. What's that? It's called the loop-de-loop. You gotta take a lace in each hand. You go over and under again. You make a loop-de-loop and pull.
And now Scott Shelby is dead.
It's first grade, SpongeBob.